Welcome. I will be continuing all method of joints. Make a note. Exercise questions. Last time 65. So see 66 to today 74. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I can manage in around within 1 hour or 40 minutes sufficient. Now, important. With this I am going to close this simple case of what? Two members or simple one triangle. Next class onwards, pin jointed frame with multiple members will come. Now, before you start any of this question, first very important. Last class I have given all up to see that is previous all exercise questions. I don't remember now from where. I think 52 to 63 I think. I don't know. 65 I think most probably. All the previous exercise questions were simple triangle with one hinged support and one roller support. You have to find reactions. Okay. But today, see, all the questions are two hinged support. See here. These are the two hinges. See, I wrote two hinges here. Here also. Even if they give fixed this way, I told you, it is not fixed. It is not fixed. It's actually hinged, pinned only here. See, even if they give this 67, see, when I wrote 67, see here, I have shown a pin here. Pin. 68, they have shown two pins here. 69, see, they are told to fix here. No. Actually, pinned hinge support here. See, 69. Where is 69? Here, see, hinged. Same way that little later. 70, they show some fixed here. No. Hinged here. Hinge. Again, hinge. In all the questions, I took the hinged support as A and B to maintain some pattern. You don't by heart that way. See, they can give the question A, B, C. Don't by heart A, B, C. But in my class, I maintained all hinged support as what? 1 minute now. Let me check the microphone once. Okay. Sometime if it is not tight, voice will not be clear. Okay, now. So everywhere A and B are hinged supports. C is a pin joint. Now, already earlier told, if you remember, special case of pin jointed frame with the two hinged support. It's all explained earlier. So, exercise question I should not tell. You should go through. So, I will tell you in all these questions today, question 66 up to 70, not 74, yes, 74, no need of finding support reactions. What you do is, you just consider the joint C. Okay, there. Mark the angle for all the members with the horizontal. Okay, see here. Mark the angle with horizontal. Anywhere you can mark. It is not that I should mark here. See, for the inclined member, instead of marking here, space problem, I can mark here also. You mark the angle with horizontal. Then, all the questions, only one step, no support reaction. See this question. Consider equilibrium of joint C, get these two answers. Over. Consider equilibrium of joint C, get these two. Joint C equilibrium, get these two. Joint C equilibrium, get these two. That's all. Support reaction not required. First of all, this all told earlier. Now, start. Question number 66. See. 60 degree given. Oh, therefore, directly given. So, no problem. I can give direct answer. Now, you do not bother what I am doing. See, 10 divided by sin 60 minus 6 divided by cos 60. 0.453. Answer. This way. Why this way? Don't bother. Point everywhere when numericals are there, answer is in kilonewton. I won't write 0.453 over. Someone will ask, sir, what you have done, sir? Sir, how you got 10 by sin 60 minus 6 by cos 60? No, you don't do all those things. Danger. See, my purpose is to give the answer. I am not going to solve exercise question. Method of joint, you know it. You consider joint C equilibrium, mark the force for CA, force for CAB, B forgotten here, force for CA, force for CB, and apply equilibrium and solve. You never bother what I am doing. Other force, 10 divided by sin 60 plus 6 divided by cos 60. Why you never bother? 23.547. That's all. But it is this way now. Why that way you never bother? You get that answer. 23.547. 547 is the answer. Oh, kilonewton, I won't write. Okay. Now, question 66 over question 67. See here. 67. See here. A, B, C, I forgot write A. B, I forgot write here. Okay. I write B here. Okay. Here, joint C. See here. This way. You need angle for this member, angle for this member. See correctly. You have to get the angle. For this member, see here, this triangle. Tan of this angle equal to 2 divided by 1.8. That's how I got 48.013 degrees. And angle for this member, see, this triangle. Here, this is 2, this is 0.4. So this height is only 2 minus 0.4 is 1.6. So tan of this angle will be, see, which one? 67. It is actually slightly upper side. It is not same level. It is little upper side. Okay. Okay, now okay. Okay, now okay. Okay, now okay. I will put the same way. What way it is given? Same way I will mark. Why confusion? Okay. This angle you require. Space is not there. I write the angle here. That angle is tan inverse of 1.6 by 1.7. 1.6 by 1.7. Shift tan inverse answer. 43.264 degrees. 264 degrees is the answer. That is for question number 67. Okay, now you solve, consider joint C and get the answer. I will solve. How I solve, you don't bother. You solve the usual way. $16.410 4.089 over. How I get, you don't bother. You solve correctly. Question number 68. See here. Question number 68. This angle is given 50 degrees. So when you consider here for this member, see, they told with vertical 50, with horizontal will be 40. Be careful. And then inclined load is given. You resolve into components. Don't ask me how to resolve. Too late. Okay, now solve it. Wait a second. That is 6.180 divided by cos 40. 8.067 over. You solve systematically. Don't try to solve like I am doing. Not 67 kilonewton. Then into sin 40 is 5 point something. Subtract it into minus 1. Subtract it from 19.021. 13.835 is the force. I will check once again now, just for safety. 6.180 divided by cos 40 is 8.067 into sin 40 is 5.18 down, subtract it from 19.021. 13.835, correct, over. Okay, now question number 69. Here, see, here, this is 30 degrees, this is 50 degrees. Be careful. Therefore, when you put the sketch here, see, for this member, they told this member is making 50 degree with vertical. So with horizontal, it will make 40 degrees. Be careful. And this member, they told with vertical 30 degrees. So with horizontal, it will be 60 degrees. Be careful of all these things. Okay, now happily solve the joint. Sine 60, okay. 43.857. No. It is this way. Say, okay, pipe. Okay, no problem. It is not a big issue. 43 point, one minute. It is spoiled the sketch here. I'll put once again now because sketch is spoiled. This point is C. Angles are there. Okay, this angle is how much? 60 degrees. For this member, angle is, where is the angle there? 40 degrees. Be careful. Okay, answer is calculator gone. Some other number I pressed there. 43.857. 857 kilonewton. And this member force is 67.193. See, by chance, if any question, if 193 kilometer over. Now this will complete question 66 to 69. I already told you, I am doing in directly calculator. I don't have to write. I don't require sigma fx0 or sigma v0, sigma s0. This is right side, left side, etc. See here, what will happen is, sometime when both are inclined, simultaneous equation will come. I don't require. What I do is, see, once I resolve perpendicular to this member, I get this force. Once I get this force, by equilibrium, I get other force. But you never try all these things. Danger. Sometimes people in my class, they will tell, sir, I also want to do it. If you want to do it, practice, get the control, reach the level, then only try it. Okay, now, what's over now? Question number 66 over, 67 over, 68 over, 69 over. Okay, now I'll do one thing. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. I'll start this side now. I'll rub and prepare, that is, sketches I will prepare and start. Okay. Now, question 70. See, at a time, I can do 4 questions here. But what happened last time, see, I did 166, 67, 68, 69. Now 70 I have to solve. 5 are there, 5 not possible. So 70 I wrote here. Next round what I will do? 71, 72, 73, 74, I will write here with the answer. Just for a change. At least one question I will briefly explain. Actually not required. You can solve. See here. Why? Because, see here. No. C joint. This joint. Here. 10 kN given this way. Over. CA and CB. Mark here. CA and CB. You require angle made by this member with horizontal. See correctly now. See. For that one, see. C is here. A is here. If I draw CA line, see. Horizontal distance is 1.8. Vertical is 2 meters. So tan theta 1 equal to 2 divided by 1.8. That's how I got 48.012 degrees. Then consider CB member. CB member, see here. If I put triangle here, horizontal length is 1.8, vertical height is 3 plus 2 is 5 meter. So tan theta 2 equal to 5 divided by 1.8. That's how I got 70.201 degrees. So therefore, angles are clear. Okay, now, no support reaction. See, right here. Consider equilibrium of joint C. Okay, I sketch joint C here. See, one force is PCA, other is PCB. See, actually, I am 100% sure this force is like this. I am 100% sure. But people may not be guaranteed, they may not be knowing correctly. So what I told, when confusion is there, okay, I will take both of them like this. See, assume like this. Okay, start now. Sigma V0, first of all, not required. See, minus, see, resolution you should do it, minus PCA sine 48.012 minus PCB sine 70.201 degrees equal to 0, equation number 1. Sigma H equal to 0. Minus PCA cos 48.012 minus PCB cos 70.201 plus 10 equal to 0. Solving, you get PCA and PCB. Now see, go back and enter the answer here. Once again, see, draw this sketch. See, in this sketch, enter. See, PCA, we took from the C, you took like this. Answer came plus, correct. Mark here. Immediately opposite here. Now, no minus plus now. 24 point, how much? 913 kilonewton. Kilonewton I am not writing. And PCB, this joint, we took the force like this. But a negative sign came, so it is not this way, it is this way. Opposite here. How much? 19.681 kilonewton. I will tell you something now. One class, one of the students asked me, sir, one doubt, sir. Yes. Sir, when both are, see, when one of them is horizontal, other is inclined, sir, I can also do in calculator. Very good, I told. How? Sir, if one is horizontal, other is inclined, I will eliminate horizontal by sigma V0, get the inclined force, then by sigma H0, I will get other one. Correct, I told. That's what I told. Or, if one of them is vertical, other inclined, I will eliminate that vertical by sigma H first 0, get the inclined, then get the vertical. I told, yes, that's what I am telling all these days. Sir, I am able to get the answer, sir. How? He told, sir, not as fluently as you are getting, but I am also equally fast, I am getting answer. Very good. But one thing doubt, sir. What? Sir, when both are inclined, sir, what to do? I told simultaneous equation. Sir, but no, sir. You don't solve simultaneous. Why? Sir, you took the calculator, do something like this and get the answer. Then I told him, see, what I will do is, I will first resolve perpendicular to this member. Resolve. How I resolve is my capacity. So this will not come. I get this force. Sir, correct, sir, but how to decide the angle, sir? That's why I told, if one is inclined, one is horizontal, you can do in calculator. If one is vertical, other is inclined, equally easy, you can do in calculator. If both are inclined, do not go for adventure all. The way I am doing it, best for you is what? Write the equation and solve. Yes, sir, that's what I will do. But still I want to learn. See, that person has got intention to learn. See, very rarely I get such people. I told them, okay, I explained to him also how I resolve perpendicular to this member so that I can eliminate this one. I told, see, this angle you require, and for this member, this angle. Yes, sir, but then if the angle is with that line, component is cos, other is sine. Sir, that is okay, sir. Inclined resolution. Resolution along two inclined axes, correct. But sir, confusion comes. I told, that's why you do this way. Okay, sir. Then he agreed. But still he was trying. One fine day later he told me, sir, I am able to get the answer, sir, but so many mistakes are coming. That's why I told, after all, what is there here? Two lines. Why you want to go for adventure? Adventure you go only When you got capacity, I will tell SFD, BMD all. I get bending moment, see. You know how I calculate. Yes, sir, it is still puzzling me. Yes, you be puzzled only. That is not possible, I told for you. So easy to understand. You require tremendous grip. Sorry, I am not boosting myself. Tremendous grip you require. Fortunately, do you think I got it? Yes, sir, you got it. Yes, that's how I give the answer. So you solve like usual. Now, 70 over 71, 72, 73, 74. I want to save the time. I don't have to prove anything in front by solving in front of you. People know that I can solve. So what I will do, with the answer, I will write now to save the time. So that class is little shortened. Okay, I will prepare next 4 questions. Now, I closed or completed everything. See, question 71. See here. Now, CAB, 60 degree given. No other data given. So, see now. It is not no data given. So, it is understood that if I draw a horizontal line here, these two angles are equal. Why? Otherwise, they should give data. When no data given here, simply they told 60 degree means nothing can be done. So you take angle for both of them 30 degrees. See here, if this is 60 degrees, see, draw a horizontal line here. So if this is 60, half is 30 there, you mark 30 here. So that's how I got 30 degrees. This question is in terms of W, given load W, both the answer will come W. Why means you don't bother. I can, by looking only I can tell. You solve naturally. Okay. 72. Where is it? Here. See, this is 4 meter. This angle you require. Tan theta equal to 5 divided by 4. You got the angle. Oh, I wrote answer everywhere. This answer I not written. Forgot it. Okay, right here now. No problem. What is there? I forgot it. So, down, up. Forgot write it. Okay. 24 divided by sine 51.340. 30.735. I forgot it. 30.735 kilonewton. 30.735 into cos 51.340 is 19 point something plus another 10 will give you 29.2 over. That's all. See how much time it will take. 29.2 over. Get the answer. Question 73, see here, be careful. 73, this is 50 degree given. So for this member, see with vertical 50, so this will become 40 degrees. Be careful, 40 degrees. For this member with vertical 40 degrees, so this angle will be 50 degrees. Now you can solve and get the answer. Okay. Question 74, see here. Now, see, for this member, angle required. See, correct, clear. See, tan theta equal to, this is 3 divided by 2.2. That's how I got 53.746 degrees. For this member, see, triangle is here. Tan theta equal to this height, 3 plus 1.5. 4.5 divided by, this is 5 given, this is 2.2 means this is 2.8. So 5 divided by 2.8, that's how I got the angle. Now by equilibrium, get the answer. Now one small thing. The last question, see, actually not required, just make a note. You can solve this, see, you want equilibrium of only joint C. See here, down force of 6 kilonewton. Then 1/4 this way, 1/4 this way. You solve, see, you take angle here, resolve and get the answer. But of course, you can do one thing, you can solve by Lami's theorem also. Lami's theorem, how? You get the angle here, see. This is 59 point something means 59 point something here plus 90 is 148. This angle is 143. 360 minus will give this answer. Now 6 divided by sine of this angle equal to PCA divided by sine of that angle equal to PCB divided by sine of this angle. You will get the same answer. Just a note. How I solved my own principle or method. Principle is same for me or everybody. Principle is same, but method varies. I got a shortcut. Then suddenly I remembered. Okay, yes, you can do Lami's theorem here also. See, here you cannot do because 1, 2, 3, 4 forces are there. No Lami's theorem. Here you can do Lami's theorem. Here Lami's theorem, okay. Here you can do it. Here you can do it. Here you can do it. Here you cannot do it. Here you cannot do it. Here you cannot do it. Why? When you resolve, 2 forces are coming. But don't try all those here. In the pin-jointed frame, you solve like a usual problem. Don't go for adventures. Lami's theorem question was solved in engineering mechanics earlier. There you do by Lami's theorem. Okay. Now, with this one, exercise question 74 over now. Next class is 75. Next class onwards, not this small question, what people call chota. No. Next time onwards, little bigger one. Slowly, I am going to cover what all I covered earlier classes, everything will come. But earlier classes, big questions. See, that much big I am not doing. Why? Usually examination point of view, they don't give so much bigger and so much complication. So what I will do is, per class, I think I can do 2 questions now. Because why? Question will be a little bigger. See, question will be here, reaction will be there. And in between some questions, I will introduce method of sections also. Till I announce method of sections, you do by method of joints. Now, solve all these questions. Next time, I will continue. Thank you. We will meet next class.